everyone, welcome back. I'm Bunny Lee, and today we're going to open up some more PJ Masks Spark series. I've got these 3, and then I have 3 more of these to do. So we got these at Walmart. I think they were all like $2. We didn't pay $3.97 for it, but I don't think we might have, but I don't think we did. These PJ Masks, I think. Yeah, we got them on clearance, but I don't remember exactly how much we paid for them. I know we paid $2 for these, but I do not think we paid the $3.97 for the other one. So when you take out everything out of the box, and this is what the box looks like. Stop focusing on the one in the back. There you go. But when you take them out of the box, this is what you get. You get your papers, and you get your 2 little items. And this is what the paper that comes in it looks like. You get a little maze to do, and then it shows you all the little people. And I don't remember which ones of these we've got. Actually, none of these actually look familiar. But I think I've opened some of these. I know I opened the pirate ones. This one is Luna Girl. That's her staff. She's cool. Or, yeah, she's cool. That's what she looks like. And the next one. More papers, more boxes. There's the item that comes with them, which means I think it's Cat Boy. Yep, it's Cat Boy. I'm keeping all the stuff because I'm going to repack them in boxes when I'm done. And then last but not least, we have, let me take the paper out. There's no point. Let's do this first. We have RJ or PJ Robot. I don't know where I got RJ from. And RJ goes in here. And there's RJ. So those are the ones that we got. Cat Boy, Luna Girl, and PJ Robot. And I still called him RJ, didn't I? Okay. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, we would very much appreciate it. And if you'd like to leave a comment down below on my silly brain, go right ahead, because my brain's like this all the time, and it's just, yeah. I know, good luck to my brain, right? But thanks for stopping by, and we'll see y'all again real soon.